Welcome to Tokyo! Hi everybody, this is Kumiko-Teressa, Tókyo Ramen Girl. Today I'm going to introduce you to a ramen noodle place that has a new concept, and it's very popular among young people. Let's go check it out! First ramen I'm going to introduce you is a new concept, and you can get it in Kinuta Setagaya. It's an eccentric new type of ramen with sweetness of pork's back fat and Chinese mapo tofu in curry. The soup is rich with the taste of pork's back fat, curry, and Chinese mapo tofu, making a great blend. The noodles are medium thickness and goes with the soup. Drop a little bit of homemade chili oil. It tastes awesome. It's definitely a new type of ramen noodles. This place is 3-minute walk from Soshigaya Okura Station on Odakyu line that you can take from Shinjuku Station. The next place is also in Shimokitazawa, Setagaya. It's a stylish ramen place. You will be surprised with the beautiful display of toppings with menma, green onions, chashu, and radish sprouts. Soup has a great blend of soy sauce and seafood. It is light but has a good aftertaste of soy sauce. Noodles are straight, and when you have it together with radish sprouts, both flavors blend in really well with a bit of bitterness. The taste of chashu is so splendid, it makes you feel happy. This place is in Shimokitazawa, which is a short train ride from Shibuya and Shinjuku. At Shibuya, you can rent out a Mario Kart and actually drive around the city. It's very popular among tourists. Shimokitazawa is a place that has a hipster type of feeling with a lot of interesting shops and food. Japanese comedian Doron Tsujimoto has done the report on these two ramen places. So, what did you think? Make sure you check out this place when you're in Tokyo. See you soon. Bye!